法新社引述馬特拉斯接受意大利傳媒訪問嘅時候，第一次回應事件。佢話當時拉住斯丹件波衫幾秒之後，對方轉頭嘲笑佢，並且以自大嘅眼神上下打量之後話：你想要嗰件波衫嘅之後，你咪攞去咯。馬特拉斯話：佢的確係有出言侮辱斯丹，之後就俾斯丹用頭撞到啦。不過佢強調絕對冇指對方係恐怖分子，因為佢唔清楚係咩嚟。亦都冇辱罵斯丹嘅媽媽，因為對佢嚟講，世界上所有媽媽都係神聖嘅。至於馬特拉斯當時講過乜嘢呢？佢冇講到，只係話係一啲經常會聽到嘅鬧人説話。有電視台請嚟讀唇專家指當時馬特拉斯用不雅嘅言辭侮辱斯丹嘅家姐。有足球評論員話：球員喺任何情況之下都要冷靜。
I don't dare be attacked his mother, his grandmother, and everybody belonging to him. There is a time and a place for everything. You shouldn't react to a situation like that.
專家就話要冷靜面對，但係實際落場又可以點解決呢？
Get themselves a psychologist.
斯丹遲啲會交代詳情。